Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by defining measurable goals, target latency, throughput, and memory caps so you know when you're done. Once that's clear, add lightweight profiling and structured logging into your CI pipeline so you capture hotspots early. Make sure to create a reproducible benchmark environment, identical OS, hardware, and dataset, because inconsistent testbeds produce useless results. Begin with small, focused experiments to verify tooling and collect baseline metrics before any large-scale optimization. You now dive into profiling. Capture CPU, memory, and I/O data and compare flame graphs across releases to spot regressions. Once you identify hot paths, apply targeted fixes, choose algorithmic improvements first, then add caching, batching, and reduce contention by redesigning locks or using lock-free structures. Make sure to quantify every change with a /B benchmarks and focus on percentile latency like P95 and P99, not just averages, because user experience depends on the slow tail. You finish by scaling safely and adding continuous observability. Configure auto-scaling and sensible resource limits, enable connection pooling, and implement backpressure so the system degrades gracefully. Then deploy distributed tracing, comprehensive metrics, alerts, and synthetic tests to detect regressions quickly. If performance dips, roll back to a known good release, capture trace snapshots and metrics, and isolate suspect changes in a canary or staging environment. Troubleshoot by bisecting commits and rerunning targeted benchmarks until you pinpoint the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.